This video will discuss using the previous week's high and low as support resistance areas. These are very significant levels that usually have major buying and selling at, and when price breaks through these levels, the trends usually continue. To add this to your chart, you right-click, Chart Settings, Add Studies, and scroll down to previous week's high and low, and click Add Study. As you can see on this Australian yen chart, the previous week's high acted as a major area of resistance. There was selling there, and then when the price broke through there, the trend exploded up, and even after this pullback, tried to go higher. Here in the euro dollar, you can see the price broke out, and a lot of times when the price breaks out above the previous week's high, day's high, month's high, it usually pulls back and tries to test this area. And when the price comes out and tests that area, oftentimes it will continue up. One way of trading with this is to buy breakouts. Another one is to wait for a pullback and get in on a retest. When it starts to go back up, get in. And then when it fails to go higher and makes a lower high right here and breaks back down, you can look for sells. When it comes back up to that area and retests it again, that's the exact same as this right here, and can't get it back above, you look to go short when it breaks through this low here, and you can see the trend went down. Notice here in the pound dollar, previous week's low, it acts as support. For 2 hours, there's buying there. And once price gets broken, it continues. So let's say you were shorting this earlier today. You can use this as a profit target level, or when it comes down to that level and goes sideways, yank your stop down above this level. And if it breaks down again, you can just get back into the trade and continue with the trend down. Oftentimes in the weakest currencies, when price comes down and it absolutely doesn't even stall or resist that area at all, it's usually likely to continue, as you can see here, continue down another 60 or 70 pips.